Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, you'll learn how to launch your very first TikTok ad step by step. Let's get started. So, the first thing you need before running ads is a TikTok ads account. So, if you don't have one yet, check the link in the description. It includes the latest promotional offer TikTok is currently providing. And right now, you can receive up to 1,000 in ad credits. So, make sure to use it when signing up. Now, creating an account only takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Once you're inside your dashboard, it will look something like this. So, head over to the Campaigns tab and click the Create button to launch your first campaign. You'll then choose your campaign objective. So for this tutorial, we'll select traffic. Choose manual campaign to access full customization options. Now for the campaign name, you can label it however you prefer. I usually name mine Prospecting Traffic, but it's completely up to you. If your business does not fall under any special ad categories, leave that section unchecked, then click Continue. Now you'll be inside the ad group settings, so we'll rename the ad group later after configuring everything. Now for optimization location, most advertisers will choose website. If you're promoting an app or TikTok shop, you can select those instead. Now under placements, switch to manual selection and make sure only TikTok is checked. So uncheck the other platforms to focus solely on TikTok placements. Leave the advanced settings as they are. Now, when it comes to targeting, you have two options. So you can go broad and let TikTok's algorithm find the best audience for you, which often performs well because of TikTok's strong data signals. If you choose broad targeting, you can scroll directly to budget and scheduling. However, if you want to target specific users, here's how. So, for example, let's say we're selling barrel baggy jeans for women. Set the location to the United States or your preferred country. Next, define the age range. If your buyers are between 18 and 45 or 55, adjust accordingly. Select female if your product is specifically for women. Leave language, spending power, and income settings broad unless you have specific data. Now, in the interest and behavior section, you can refine targeting further. If you have a customer email list, you can upload it to include or exclude certain audiences. Otherwise, use interest targeting. For example, type jeans into the search bar. You'll see options like pants and jeans or pants and jeans purchase intention. Whenever possible, choose interest with purchase intention as those users are more likely to convert. Now, even if TikTok shows your audience size as slightly narrow, that's fine if it matches your ideal customer profile. Scroll down and keep device type, connection type, and device price broad unless there's specific reason to narrow them. For budgeting, TikTok requires a minimum of $20. If you try to enter less, it won't allow it. I prefer using a daily budget so I can control performance and pause anytime. You can set a start date and optionally an end date. So we'll keep it running continuously and on all days. After setting everything up, go back and rename your ad group based on your targeting. So for example, US 18 to 54 purchase intent jeans. This keeps campaigns organized. So click continue to move to ad settings. Leave the first checkbox unchecked. Name your ad. So right here, then upload your creative. You can upload a video from your computer or choose one from your TikTok posts. Now there are three main ways to create TikTok ad creatives. So create it yourself using tools like CapCut, hire creators through platforms like Billo or Fiverr, use AI tools, and for example, we're uploading an AI generated ad. Once uploaded, click confirm. If you prefer, you can also select an existing TikTok post and run it as an ad. Next, choose your identity. You can link your TikTok account so the ads runs under your profile. Or if you want the ad to only appear as a paid ad and not on your organic feed, keep the ads only option checked. Now enable automatic creative optimization if you want TikTok to test variations like video quality and music. This can help improve performance. Now add your ad text up to 100 characters and select multiple call to action buttons such as shop now, order now, or visit store. Next, choose all relevant options so TikTok can test which CTA performs best. If you're promoting multiple product variations, you can add them in here. Otherwise, enter your destination URL. Leave the final optional box unchecked, then click Publish All. And your TikTok ad is now live. Now, if you want a deeper, more advanced walkthrough, check the full TikTok ads tutorial link below. Thanks for watching. Introducing Calcy, breakthrough AI telephony app. Human-like AI telephone agents work 24/7 to land you more sales, appointments, and grow your profits without manual effort. Calcy offers real-time voice for real conversations. Calcy becomes an expert on your business in minutes. Feed in your calling scripts and FAQs. Choose the perfect voice to represent your brand. Speaks to your prospects in any language. Quality and warm up prospects. Book appointments. Create reminders. Conduct surveys. Handle incoming calls. Calcy can do instant calls with custom agenda. Reach global phone numbers. Great for scheduling options. Keeps call transcripts for your review. Calcy can send SMS with purchase links. 100% compliant with cold calling and D&D regulations. Create multiple campaigns for specific businesses and call outcomes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Calcy now. Just go to getcalcy.in.